and delighted to be here at this superb event, and I've just been introduced to this A-level Urdu curriculum, which is a really impressive document, and I highly recommend that our students take up this particular syllabus and read it and understand it and utilise the history that's written within this curriculum. And I highly recommend that our younger students should study this to understand Pakistan's culture more better. Thank you very much.